Mr. Warren Maxwell, Trinity Roots, and begin to go with the
if you could reach yourself from your legs, so you could find your right way home.
Our roots, my immediate hooking to whakapapa and everything that entails.
The strength to go the distance. If you the strength to speak your mind, don't let your leaders lead your difference. So you be yours and I'll be mine. And don't miss the time that I'm making me hunger.
Your beginnings, bro.
I guess connection. It was always about like it always had a celebratory kind of vibe. So I'd see whānau getting together, you know, jumping on spoons and banging the table and everyone singing together. That was my kind of like window into the music. I was working in the freezer works and sharing sheds, and then I was at Jazzville.
Joy and privilege of growing up in a very musical family. You know, music was our entertainment. Once you understand the chord that goes with the song, it's liberating.
What about your musical roots?
Yeah, I started playing when I was 8. I just really love music. I feel like I've done a lot of different stuff, and this is the perfect mounting pot for all of that stuff I've done.
Take a hand, yes, take a hand. Come, Mr. Talent, pity me hunger. Nonsense, 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 nonsense. Future man, here's your spirit. Another life alone.
I had a stepbrother, so he forced me to learn guitar when I was about 6. And I didn't even think I wanted to know about music at that time, but he was like, "You're gonna do this." Yeah, just slowly discovered music from there on.
Tuttora Whakipapa no Wātia Tīna.